Hey, Rick Coester here with NTI and Ariston Group. Today we're standing in front of the NTI Verta Air-to-Water Heat Pump system, and we're going to go over a little bit of what a system is, the details of our system and what it entails. So if you're familiar with heat pumps and mini splits and all of that, our system is very similar on how it heats the home. We just don't bring refrigerant into the space, right? Our system is all based on hydronics and moving water into the space, where we have the ability to do heating, cooling, as well as domestic hot water production. This could be a standalone system as well as a hybrid solution using one of our NTI boilers or anybody's boiler at that point. But this typical system is going to really be made up of an outdoor heat pump, whether it's a 3-ton behind me or a 5-ton, which is a little bit larger. And you have your choice of a control box or the Hydrobox here, which the Hydrobox gives you a little bit more of a labor savings here, where it's a prepackaged approach, has your circulators, controls, all of that built into it, where the control box is going to be more of that a la carte. You're going to build this out with your circulators of choice, with your diverter valve and any other components you want to build the system with. For more information on our air-to-water heat pump system, visit ntiboilers.com.